In the last 8 or so months, my skin has been horrible for me because I never was one to have bad skin. Breaking out terribly here, and here. I'm assuming it's from the masks because I never had that problem in my life. Probably stress and other things too. Anyway, I tried 3 different skincare systems. I tried Sunday Riley, worked really well for about a week or so, but then I think some of the products were a little harsh for me. My skin is really sensitive. Didn't stop working. Tried The Ordinary. That worked a little bit too. Again, harsh. Then I see these Instagram ads for Goodieco. I'm like, wow, this model has immaculate skin, so she probably started off like that. Don't know if it's going to work. What's the harm in trying? I've been using it for a week now. Not one bump. Not one. And I did have some with the others. Clearing up. Skin is soft, supple, hydrated. Goodieco. Try it. Nurse peeps. I know it may seem like you're in despair because we have to wear these masks so long in a day. And everybody's wearing masks too, so it's not just us. But try Goodieco. The products feel good going on. They're not harsh. You can feel the difference in a day. The ingredients are healthy. Not that you don't sometimes need medication for it, but like I didn't. The difference is amazing. For me, difference is just like when you can just wake up and be like, oh, skin looks great. And I had that before and it went away and now it's back. I'm like, oh yes, it's just such a good feeling. Still have some of the little scars or the dark spots from it to go away, but those can just mesh in with my freckles. So